Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello everybody and welcome to our tutorial from zero to hero mastering Autodesk Inventor. We are in tutorial 2 swivel head bracket, and in this video we'll work with the parts. Let us see our project. So this is our project. Swivel bracket. As we can see here, we have many parts, 8 parts, some of them standard. Okay, and we'll work with our color and bushing in this video. Let's go to them and see. Here's my color. It's a cylinder with 20 mm height and 60 millimeters diameter. I'll go to my inventor. If you don't you close your inventor, you go to workspace folder and double click your project file. Here's my default part, and we start with sketching the cylinder. I hit the home tab. I sketch on the XY plane. My X will be there, and the base of the cylinder is a circle I put at the center. I didn't hit the center. I go back and hit the center, the green dot, and I'll give it diameter of 60. Finish sketch, extrude 20. Hit OK. Our browser is gone. We go to view again, user interface, model browser, and if it's saved, we have our color already. I did it before. I'll save over it. Hit yes. So we have a center hole and we have the other hole. Go back to 3D modeling, go and create a hole. Previous hole, we have it with tolerance. So I'll take this here. My hole will be the center hole 20. So I'll give it 20. Will be here and concentric with the outer edge or circular. We don't need any tolerance here, so click here if you have it green, which means that you are in tolerance. Go to the tolerance, go here and give it default. Okay. Now it's without the tolerance. We give a tolerance in our holes, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay. Hit OK. The other hole is 6 millimeter diameter through. It goes through the middle of the height. You can see from here to here 10. So I go back here. If you try to create a hole, you need a face. You can't put your hole at the circular face. Okay, you can't sketch on the circular face either. So what shall we do? Then we need something to sketch on, which is the plane. Okay, so here we'll work with new points, our new skill work features. One of them is plane. I create a plane. What is my plane? I need a plane here perpendicular to the face in order to sketch my hole. So there's many ways to create a plane. We need an offset from a plane. Offset from a plane. From what plane will offset? Let us offset from XZ. I'll open the origin and hit the XZ plane. And this is my other plane. Can you see the arrow? There is a distance an offset plane. You can offset it this way, or in when you give it a negative value, it will goes that way. I don't care about the value now. I want to take it out of my cylinder. I will take it out of my cylinder. Just doesn't matter because I have a through hole. There's no distance. It will cut through. Okay. So this is my plane. I'll hit the green. Check. Go to home. Click the plane. Sketch on. Unfortunately, my origin dot is here down. I need a point at the center. In this case, you have what to do. I'll explain and then cancel this one. We have to project the z-axis, my z-axis. I have to put a center point here and give it a dimension from the end to this point. Then I'll finish, go to my hole, okay, give it a 6, and hit OK. We did too much things here, okay, that we can avoid it. Right click, I'll delete this hole, hit OK. Simply, I'll go to my extrusion. Okay, can you see? And my extrusions goes up from here up and make it symmetric. Hit OK and see the difference now. Okay, I'll go to my plane again to create a sketch. It's a center for my hole. I have a center point here. Okay. Either you can project it or you can use it. Finish a sketch without projecting a plane, putting a center point. Okay, then we have a point here. When I hit hole, okay, I nominate this point as a center point and my hole is ready. And this way we are using the most of our inventor. Right click this plane I don't want. I switch off its visibility, click the visibility, it's switched off. I have a chamfer of 2 from here and from here. Hit OK, give it a steel mild as a material, and our part is ready. Again, we'll go to my home. We have a problem with our browser. Double click my default part, hit the sketch, home, XY again, change your X, view your browser, user interface, model browser, and we'll work with our bushing. Let us see. In our bushing, we did this part before, 70 and 46, 10 and 70. Okay, let's go. Sketch, circle at the center, give it a 70, 70, finish the sketch, extrude by 10 or 20, I don't remember, 10. I'll hit the corner of my view cube, not to sketch another circle down. This circle will be 46 millimeter, 46. Finish the sketch, and the extrusion will be 70. Yep, 70. Okay, it's okay. Now we need a center hole with tolerance in order to show the tolerance in the drawing using the hole tool. You have to create a tolerance while you are creating a hole. how to do this. I did it already in the base. I'll do it here. Okay, so my hole is 36 H7. I'll give it 36 36. I'll hit this face, center with this one, and I have nothing here. You have to click this arrow, go to tolerance, and from here you search for limit. Just give it size or give it tolerance as you wish. You have to show or size or tolerance. Okay, H7. 3 precision. Don't forget 3 digits. Precision is 3 digits. H7, hit OK. Now my hole with the tolerance, click OK. We'll see this in while we are creating drawing, how to add tolerance to our drawings. Press soft yellow B. Hit save. Pushing. I already created them before. I'll save over. Okay. So we have these 2 parts in this video, color and bushing. The new thing is how to add tolerance to holes while creating a hole. Thank you for watching. I hope you are enjoying our tutorials and you are gaining skills step by step. See you next video. Keep tuned.